How amazing would it be if you could lose weight quickly with a drink? Believe it can be hard, but this drink is very easy to do, and it has been shown that it helps in a short number of time. If you drink it all the time, drinking only a glass of this juice before bed, you will lower your fat levels, especially your belly fat. If you drink it every night, and after waking up, do some cardiovascular workouts for about 30 minutes, you will see it better in a few days. It is not unusual that fat is formed while it is asleep. Why? Because when you go to sleep, your body does not break the materials as quick. The ingredients in this drink will help your body break the materials faster, so that will continue burning fat while you sleep. How is this possible? Because the ingredients are displayed in this drink to accelerate the metabolism, so when you drink it before going to bed, your body continues breaking things down quickly. The cucumbers are very good for fighting fat. They are an important part of any weight loss plan. A full cucumber has only 45 calories. And they are filled with fiber and water, two things that are important to burn fat. In addition, they are very refreshing, and give this drink a great taste. Parsley and cilantro are very low in calories, and both are full of antioxidants, as well as vitamins and minerals that are very good to relieve water that are stored. Therefore, they are good to flatten a blown-up stomach. Ginger helps the body break the materials faster and stop constipation, two things that are very powerful to fight against that belly fat you do not want. This ingredient will help burn fat while you sleep. The lemon juice is good to wash the toxins that have accumulated in the body. When you drink lemon juice, you can get rid of body fat. You will also feel much better, because the toxins that have accumulated in your system will be cleaned. Another thing that is good for weight loss is the aloe vera juice. It is full of antioxidants, and it helps block free radicals, which lead to swelling and bloating. This juice too helps drive how fast your body breaks down materials, which can help lower your body mass index. Sip this healthy drink before bed and you will wake up feel lighter and more energetic. With these simple ingredients, you can collect at your grocery store. You can make this drink at any time. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon aloe vera, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, half glass of water. Preparation: add the ingredients together, mix it, and drink a glass of this juice before bedtime. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and advice, subscribe to the channel.